Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to delete a card in Trello. This is a simple process, but there are a few steps involved. So let's jump right in, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, let's go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard appear. Now, scroll down until you find the board that contains the card you want to delete, and select that board. Next, locate the specific card you want to remove and click on it to open it up. You'll see an Edit option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, look for the Archive button and click on it. This will archive your card. Once that's done, go back to your board view. Now, click on the three-dot menu icon. Scroll down through the options until you find Archived Items and click on it. This will show you all your archived content. Find the card you just archived from the list, click on the three-dot menu next to it, and select Delete. And that's it. Your card has now been permanently deleted, and there you have it. That's how you delete a card, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. If you have any